It's not his choice.
I promised him that I would keep away from you.
I know how to help you.
What are you doing?
I know the grid specs. I can reset the system.
You can't be here right now. I'm not messing around. You can't be here right now. This is insane.
Guess what? Nobody makes my decisions for me. All right? Nobody. This is my choice.
W kamienie przejść